We introduced G Suite to B.Grimm, and we put into these workshops a lot of fun and entertainment. We created interactive sessions, challenges, team members against team members. We have giveaways. People even began to dance with each other. Today we gave trainings to almost 90% of our employees.
สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับทุกคนเข้าสู่ G Suite Workshop วันนี้นะคะก็ทาง Digital Division มีความยินดีมาก
Hi, คุณน้องหวาน So
Yes,
what is
good
your
morning.
impression about this workshop?
For this session, right? I think it's very useful for me because I have to use Google Sheets in my daily life, like when I have to work or connect with others. And before I got this session, I think there's something wrong, and many times. And after I got this session, after I have this session, I got new knowledge. I know how to use it correctly. I know how to do it faster, and I think my work will be better when I got this class. Yes, it's very useful for me. When I know about G Suite, I can do my work better. I save the time, and when I save the time, I have too much time for do others.
Great. So I hope you enjoy this.
Sure, I'm
workshop.
enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Hi, Goff. As
Hi.
a trainer, so what is your impression today? We have big crowd today.
Yeah, a lot of the people today in order to join our session, training session. So I very glad to be the trainer because this tool is very helpful and useful for the people in the B.Grimm. So if they know how to use it and they can apply how to use in their job, it's really helpful because this tool people in the B.Grimm can use this tool anywhere and anytime with the internet.
Okay, Sin, as a G Suite ambassador, so what is your impression today?
Well, we had a very good turnout. We had about 40 people who attended. So it was a lot bigger than the other sessions that we held prior to this one. And I would say people really enjoyed the collaboration features that we showed them today. The challenge would be overcoming the initial barrier, switching from the products that people are already used to a brand new solution. So that's going to be a part of the early challenges. But I think we can overcome that.
Okay, good to hear that.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem.